Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock News of the Week. We're going to talk about another IPO in a sea of IPOs, it seems. So be sure to hit that link below to check out the details. I'm going to quickly kind of walk through what we like about Airbnb and what to look for. But like I said, hit that link. We've got an entire blog piece breaking everything down with all of the details in extreme detail. So, the latest upcoming IPO, and there are a lot of upcoming IPOs, is Airbnb. Another company I'm very interested in. I've used Airbnb, maybe you have, and what I like about this is, this is very revolutionary, I think. I mean, I know it's just, a substitute for hotel rooms, but it is a democratization of technology. Now, the power, I guess you could call it, is taken away from the major hotel brands, and you can make side money. I've actually, my brother and my sister-in-law, I think, have 3 Airbnb cottages that they specifically rent out for a little bit of a side hustle. That's the cool thing. Just like the Ubers and the Lyfts. I mean, you couldn't, obviously 10 years ago, 20 years ago, unless you had a bunch of capital, someone to invest, or you got a huge loan, you couldn't buy a hotel. You couldn't buy a taxi service. I mean, maybe you would start at the bottom and work your way up, and maybe 20 years down the road, you'd have 20 taxis, or 20 years down the road, you'd have a hotel. But the cool thing about this is you can earn that side money and you can build it up into a business. And that's what I love about the Ubers, the Lyfts, the Airbnbs. It's an amazing time to be alive. These are really, I shudder to use the word life-changing, but these are society-changing, economically changing ideas. So keep an eye out for Airbnb. I know Lyft at this point was a little bit, underperforming, but I think Lyft got a little bit greedy with their IPO. They kept upping the numbers and they went for the cash grab. And at this point, it's down quite a bit, but starting to base as of today, basing in the 60s, and maybe a few months down the road, Lyft will start grinding back, and especially with Uber. So keep an eye out for Uber as well. If that IPO, if they don't get greedy like Lyft did, and that IPO does well, could definitely bounce Lyft. And then some others that have done great this year, Pinterest. Pinterest was green every single day post-IPO until yesterday. Now, yesterday was April 30th, and Google announced less than stellar revenues. So social media stocks kind of took a beating yesterday, but that was the first green day, I think, in like 10 trading days. So Pinterest did very well. JMIA, the Amazon of Africa, still doing very well. Zoom, I think Zoom might be all-time highs this morning. SWAV, Tiger. A lot of these IPOs, when you get this frothiness in the market, everybody wants to buy more stocks, and that's what you want to look for. So, in closing, be sure to hit that link below. Check out the blog post. Keep an eye out for Uber. WeWork is coming as well. I'm a big fan of WeWork. Again, that power to the people, I guess you could call it. The beauty of WeWork, you can go in, sign a contract, and you've got an office. There's no negotiating with a landlord. There's no hiring utility companies. There's no getting the office remodeled. I went through that with my business, years ago when we bought a new location. You got to go in. You got to hire contractors. You got to negotiate with the utility companies. You got to fix the roof. You got to do all these things. WeWork, you've got an office day one. Exciting stuff. I think of it a lot like Uber, Lyft, Airbnb. One that I'm dubious of, over on the Steady Trade podcast, did a breakdown of, Beyond Meat. Not making a judgment. I'm just a little dubious of Beyond Meat's business. And again, incredible time to be alive. So thanks a lot, everyone. Hit that link below. Check out the piece on Airbnb, and be sure to subscribe. And then ring that bell. We do these breaking news pieces. We're shooting for about once a week. So if you ring that bell below, you'll get notified as soon as we post. And look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.